Okay folks, so I'm doing this little video. This is Captain Carl from Sea Dog LLC, Mount Lachey Boat Rides Rentals. So installed a new steering system, the ST2 no feedback system. It's helm number SH5150B. Cable for my use was Sierra Charlie 6215. So anyway, the instructions are pretty good. It's pretty straightforward installation. You put in the bracket, put in the helm bracket, but where I had trouble was the getting the cable to lock into the steering mechanism. There's a pin, and the instructions on and the insertion of that pin are not very clear. But here in step 2, we read, during this procedure of pulling the cable into the helm box, you may hear a click as the locking mechanism engages. So you may, well, if you don't hear that click, it's not done. So when you're doing this and you're rotating your steering wheel counterclockwise, you're going to put some force on it until you hear that click. If you don't hear the click, then the cable keeps shifting in and out of the helm box, and it won't work. So I couldn't find anybody that had done a video for this model, SH5150, SH5155, and so this is the SeaStar Safety 2 installation, and you get instructions with the cable, Sierra Charlie 61 and 62, 72, and basically the instructions are exactly the same in both of these manuals, but you'll be able to figure it out very easily. And make sure your tube there is nice and clean. I reamed it out, got all the gunk out of it before I reinstalled. Still have to do the final hookup to the engine, but anyway, make sure you do that click. Hope this helps. We had to figure it out on our own, so maybe the next guy won't have to. Captain Carl, Sea Dog LLC. We're located in Mount Lachey, Florida. Our little slice of paradise. Come and see us sometime.